So the dog teams are made ready as the different work parties prepare to carry out their appointed tasks. But at last, peace is restored, and the first team starts off across the snowfields. The beach party, searching for fuel, finds driftwood not only along the beach, but also some distance offshore, where the pressure of the pack ice has forced it to the surface. Reindeer are the Eskimos' cattle. Far inland, the village herd has just been... After a steady diet of raw fish and seal blubber, fresh reindeer steaks will be most welcome.